Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Social Security disability online. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. You must be at least 18 years old, not currently receiving Social Security benefits, and applying for disability benefits. The online application is a convenient way to start this important process, often taking only 15 to 30 minutes to complete the initial steps. This guide will help you navigate each stage effectively. Before you begin, it is crucial to gather all necessary documents and information. This includes your birth certificate, Social Security number, and details about your medical conditions. You will also need a comprehensive list of your doctors, treatment dates, and medications. Additionally, have your employment history, including job titles and dates, readily available. Finally, prepare your bank account information for direct deposit. Now, let's walk through the application process itself. Start by visiting the official Social Security Administration website. If you do not already have one, create a secure My Social Security account. This account allows you to manage your benefits. Carefully fill out each section of the online disability application form, providing accurate and complete information. Always review your entire application thoroughly before submitting it. After successfully submitting your online application, you will receive a confirmation number. Keep this number safe for future reference. The Social Security Administration will then begin reviewing your submitted information. They might contact you for further details or to schedule a medical examination. The decision process can take several months, so patience is key during this waiting period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.